Before we start the video, I have to tell you that my team and I tested every possible way to enlarge your penis you could ever imagine. And the reviews of my subscribers say the same. The by far best way is found. If you want to see my full review of it, check out the link in the description. Phallosan Forte review. For longer years, I have tried lots of male enhancement products, but not all have satisfied my needs. I tried creams, pills, ointments, weights, pumps and extenders. I tried so many extenders and some really worked very well, however I discovered little curve after figuring out how it is used. Also, some would even cause pains and won't work according to what has been expected. So I started this Phallosan Forte review to help other people. One of my acquaintances suggested the use of water-based pumps, which also work best, however can only be used for a shorter period of time. And for inexperienced users like me, it is really hard to figure out how it is being used properly and effectively until I came up with the use of Phallosan Forte. In my first attempt, I was a little confused how such thing works, however for several days of continuous use, I was truly amazed how it works. I have even recommended this extender to some men because of the reason that it really worked best. When it comes to penis enlargement, I could say that it is the best deal. This is also a great alternative or substitute for a size genetics device. What is Phallosan Forte? If you are one of those men who are looking for a device that could give you best results, trying Phallosan is the best thing that you can do. Phallosan Forte is a medically certified device, usually prescribed by most doctors all over the world. This has been developed to help men with their sexual performance issues. This device is much different from all other wannabe extenders and China imports. This is a patented medical device which has been manufactured in Germany. It has also been tested in several clinical studies and approved by FDA. Compared to other extenders, Phallosan has been officially listed on FDA site. I hope you enjoy the Phallosan Forte review. Phallosan Forte has been designed in order to provide men with the ability to effectively increase both girth and length, help in alleviating curvature, and for men diagnosed with diabetes this can greatly help with erectile dysfunction. How does Phallosan Forte work? The main function of Phallosan Forte is to pull the penis away from its pelvic bone through the glans or the head of the penis, which in turn allows men to straighten their penis and gain size. Size gain is the result of the continuous tension on the body tissue that forms microfiber fissures. You don't have to worry about anything because though the application sounds painful, this is completely pain-free. The result would just be similar with you try to lift weights. The fibers have been embedded with new cell material that will allow both girth and length increase. So, how can this device help you if you have erectile dysfunction? With the use of Phallosan Forte, all the penis tissue will have stronger blood circulation and it will also receive more nutrients. All men know the fact that the quality of erection will be determined exclusively through blood flow. If you have more blood flow, it only means that you will have more efficient and large erection quality. Such things can be heightened through the combination of the entire natural make enhancement pill. If you want to make sure that you will really get the best service, you have to make sure that you will follow the suggested hours or days of using it. Make sure that you will wear it 6 to 8 hours per day, and 5 to 6 days per week, and do the other things I recommend in the Phallosan Forte review. You can also wear while sleeping and thought it looks painful, however it's not. You will feel comfortable while wearing this extender and you will also feel its difference to other extenders. I hope that my Phallosan Forte review helps you.